Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha Virago 250. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 10,000 miles on the odometer. Really beautiful condition with a gorgeous dark red metallic paint scheme. Vtwin. This got the real big bike style, but it's super light, low seat height, easy to ride. Come on by and make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous 07 Virago for just $24.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.